G'day folks, Ozzy back with another video. Hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for joining us. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Shiba Inu, or SHIB. We're going to see what sort of potential profits we might be able to get if we invest in SHIB based on where we are right now in the cryptocurrency market. I'll be breaking down some buy and sell targets. We'll be adding in some buying amounts, and we'll be seeing if we can get ourselves a decent return on investment. In these videos, I generally like to look at around about 3 plan scenarios: a low reward, a medium reward, and a high reward plan. But you can do this for yourself over at cryptoaccelerator.online. Click the try now button and you add in your own buy and sell targets and your buy-in amounts that match your investing goals. Now let's have a look at SHIB. I've already filled out the fields on the Crypto Accelerator tool to speed up this video. So I've added SHIB into the asset field name. That way, if you want to email your plan to yourself, you can later on. There's an email me my plan button right at the bottom of the form. I've also filled out our buy targets, or what would be my buy targets. Again, you fill out your own buy targets based on your voodoo, your crypto voodoo. SHIB is sitting, I think, currently at 0.000075 at the moment. So it's already below one of my first buy targets. SHIB being one of those meme coins, should pump pretty well during the next bull cycle, but again, there's no guarantee on anything. So anyway, I've added in my initial buy targets. I've added in our buying amount. Today we're investing in this plan scenario. It's just a scenario. We're investing $1,750 into SHIB over four individual buy-ins. We've got ourselves, I think, like 228 million SHIB. Sounds a lot. It is a lot of SHIB, but you know, when it's at 0.000075, well, it's really not worth that much. It's not worth 228 million. I think that's one of the things with meme coins. Because you have 200 million of it, you feel rich, but really it's $1,750. That's all it is. Okay, so I've got my sell targets already filled in as well. I'm basing this based on the previous all-time high. I think that was back in October of 2021, so we're nearly 2 years ago. These are achievable. That's if it does retrace back to its previous all-time high. I think it's got a good chance of it. It's kind of, you know, the two dogs that stick together, and I don't mean that in a disparaging way. I mean, Doge is another meme coin, got the face of a dog, and SHIB, same thing. So they hang in a pack together. For our sell percentages, I've just done our normal 20-20-40-20. Again, remember with the cat, that shows you exactly how much to sell when your sell target is hit. So if your first sell target is hit and you want to make money and not hold on thinking SHIB's going to go to the moon forever, you just, you know, log on to your exchange and start sell 45 million SHIB. So our return on investment for that $1,750, not too shabby, 15,000. That's just under 900% ROI. Let's see if we can better that by just changing these percentages up a little bit. We'll add in this first percentage at 5%. We'll do a 10% here. We'll do a 25% here. And we'll do our last one at 60%. Still sold our 100%. Again, I do that in these plan scenarios, sell the full bag, but you know, you may want to keep half. You may want to sell just 80%. Totally up to you what you do there. Let's see how much we can improve it. Yeah, we've added another $1,000 to the bag, so not a huge amount. That's got us just over 900%. So we're just under that 1,000% threshold that I think is a good benchmark for where we are right now in the cryptocurrency market. Now what we'll do is I'll put these back to our 20, 20, and 40. So that's a fairly conservative way of looking at it. What I like to do too in my first sell percent, I try and get my initial return on investment back. Not always achievable. Again, the higher the market goes, the less chance of that you can actually make that happen. Okay. So what we'll do now is we'll do our usual 3xing our sell targets. Again, we follow kind of what Bitcoin does, and we look at that, Bitcoin generally, it's done that several times now where it's 3x'd its previous all-time high, and currently the market just follows Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin has its blow off top, and if people are rotating their profits out of Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies, and a meme coin like SHIB might get some of that liquidity coming into it, it has the potential to 3x as well. It could do more, but I keep it at 3x. Okay, you use your hopium targets to where you think it might go. So our first sell target then would be about 1 point. We'll take that 0 out, 1, 2. And next one will be 1, 4. Again, excuse saying all the zeros. You'll be sick of me saying 0, 0, 0, 0. And we'll have 1, 6 here. And we'll do 175 here. 175. That was good. So that's basically about 3xing what it did previously. Could SHIB do that? When you look at the chart for SHIB, it's really hard to say. You would have to, like, it is just pure 100% speculation. This one, SHIB, any meme coin really, but SHIB, Pepe coin, Doge. Well, maybe not so Doge because you've got Elon Musk and his fantasy with Doge kind of pumping that. But when you look at SHIB, I mean, look, it took 7 weeks when TradingView finally put it on. When you could look it up on TradingView, it took 7 weeks from when they listed it, and when they listed it, straight down, of course, which generally happens anyway. 7 weeks later, hit its previous all-time high, and then after that, it's just been a downward spiral ever since. Doesn't mean it's going to continue to go downwards. The fact that it's down 91% means that it could be a good buying opportunity. And if meme coins fit your investment portfolio, then it's probably a good one to add, a good one to throw a few $100s at, and just hope and pray, But on that chart, yeah, more questions than answers, that's for sure. But it's got a great community. I'll give it that. It's got a big community. Generally, the people who are investing in Doge are investing in SHIB as well. So anyway, that's our 3x targets. That's our 2020. Let's see what we did there. Obviously, we would have improved our ROI considerably. So we're up at that, $32,000 now, just under 33,000. We're obviously got a much better percent return. We're just under that 2,000% ROI. This makes SHIB, definitely worthwhile looking at if you believe that it's going to pump past its previous all-time high. Now we'll look at SHIB compared to the top 3 most popular assets in the cryptocurrency market. So we're going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And the reason I look at those 3 when I'm comparing any other asset towards another crypto asset is it's not just that they're the most popular, but they've been around the longest and stayed in the top 10. Okay, so we've got XRP just coming up for its 10th birthday. Ethereum, not quite at 10 years yet. I think it's about 9 odd years. And Bitcoin is, over 10 years now. It's, 12, 13, something like that. So their stay is in the marketplace. So I think you'd want to compare whatever asset you're looking at investing in against those 3. So again, I filled it all out. I've got their current prices in as of the recording of this video, and I've got their previous all-time high. Again, no speculation in this one. This is just straight up where we are and where their previous all-time high is. I think that gives you a good benchmark to decide, okay, because we generally know if it's a good asset, it's in the top 10, they've got a good community, they've got a good utility narrative going with it, which all 3, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin have. That's what you want to compare against. And then I put SHIB down the bottom there. So let's have a look. If we put in our 1,750, again, keep it relative to our plan, 1750. The people that are listening on YouTube and haven't got and aren't watching, for that 1,750, Bitcoin would return 2,200 $2,226. Ethereum would return $2,793, so just slightly nudges out Bitcoin by $500. XRP would return $11,375, so obviously a better investment than both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And SHIB would do $18,316. So compared to those three, SHIB would be a better investment if you believe it will go back to its previous all-time high. Beats XRP out by about 5,000, and definitely a better investment than Ethereum and Bitcoin from just a dollar percentage. Whether it'll get there or not, that's a question mark. Everything is speculation, so choose your asset wisely. That's a wrap on SHIB. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some value out of it. Again, go play around with the cat yourself. Put in your own buy targets, your own sell targets, your own buying amounts. Build your plan that matches your investment goal and your investment style, and then stick to your plan. If you stick to your plan, leave the emotions at the door, you will make money. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. The link for the Crypto Accelerator Tool will be in the description below. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, ask me some questions, maybe comment on assets that you want me to look at in future videos, you can either do that in comments below or connect with me on Twitter, and the link for that will be in the description below as well. Remember, folks, this is not an investment advice channel, and I am no financial wizard, that's for sure. I like to speculate just like everyone else in every other market, whether it be the crypto market or the regular stock market. But if you do like to speculate, if you like to build out plans and look at what the possibilities could be, then this is the channel for you. Cheers for watching. Until next time, trade safe, trade smart, don't gamble, and go build yourself a plan.